Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mariners Adda. Oh, in past few days I got request from lot of people to make a single video for an individual course. So based on those requests, I have made a single video containing all the questions. Means I will not split the video in parts. So before going for your DGS exit exam, you just need to watch a single video now. So this video is for PST and PST refresher course. And in near future also, if I will make some other video for other courses, I will make a single video. I will not split it that. I will not make the parts, so you don't need to search for the parts. Just watch a single video and go for your exam. So, and one more thing, for watching full content you need to subscribe the channel. If you are not subscribing, you will not get the full content on my channel. So please subscribe, like, and if somebody needs, share this to them so that they can easily pass their exit exam, because what I am uploading, it contains almost 95% of the questions which comes in DGS exit exam. So without losing any time, let's go to the question section. So first question is, the donning time for the immersion suit is, so correct answer is 2 minutes. Next question, when a person is floating in the water in group, they should be in huddle position. So correct answer is option B. Next question, which one of the listed requirements regarding rigid life raft does not correspond to present regulation? The rigid life raft shall be. Correct answer is all the entrants fitted with the rigid boarding ramps for the boarding life raft at sea. Next, checking and servicing life raft as per PMS is. So servicing of life raft as per PMS is once a year. Next question, before lifting a lifeboat from water, it must be ensured that, so the correct answer is option B. False wire are clear and secured tightly. Next question, which one of the listed routine test and inspection of LSA is not required by the present regulation? So the we have to select the one which is wrong. So the wrong one is general emergency alarm to be tested daily. Next question is, lifeboat should have. So correct answer is it should have two buoyant rescue quotes attached to not less than 30 meters buoyant line. Next question, in a free fall lifeboat, instead of immersion suit, TPAs are provided to all person. No, it's not correct. So it is false statement. Next question, luminous intensity of hand flares should not be less than. So correct answer is it should not be less than 15,000 candela. Next question, hand flare burn with bright red color. Yes, this statement is true. Next question, LTA is used as. So LTA is used as a messenger line. So correct answer is option A. Next question, life jacket light shall have a source of energy capable of providing luminous intensity of. It should provide a luminous intensity of 75 candela for a period of 8 hours. So correct answer is option B. Next question, lifeboat must be stored in such a way that they can be launched in 10 minutes. So correct answer is option B, 10 minutes. Next question, a distress signal on deck. So in a distress signal, pyrotechnic, yes, this is distress signal. Open fire, yes, this is also a distress signal. Flag NC, this is also a distress signal. So correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question, MOB smoke float working duration. It works for 15 minutes. So correct answer is option C. Next, lifeboat can be lowered when vessel is at a speed of, so correct answer is 5 knots. Next question, how much water is in the life raft for per person? So in life raft, just remember, in life raft per person 1.5 liter water is there, and in lifeboat 3 liters. So this is life question. This question is asking for life raft. So correct answer is option D, 1.5 liters. Next question, what is the full form of EPIR? The full form of EPIR is emergency position indicating radio beacon. Next question, the number of lifebuoys on a cargo ship of length over 200 meters is, so correct answer is 14. Next question, EPERF signal to be received by. EPERF signal is received by MRCC. Next question, child life jacket requirement in cargo vessel is. Child life jacket requirement in cargo vessel is 10% of the full capacity. So correct answer is option A, 10%. Next question, once you hear the fire alarm, proceed to. In any situation, if you are hearing any alarm, just proceed to the muster station. So correct answer is option C, proceed to muster station. Next question, which one of the listed requirements regarding lifeboat fittings do not correspond to present regulation? All lifeboats shall be fitted with, so you have to select the wrong one. So the option B is wrong. So a buoyant lifeline bucketed around outside of the lifeboat. So this does not correspond to the present regulation. Just remember friends, the option highlighted with the green color is the correct answer. So next question, which of the listed requirements regarding a stowage of lifeboat and life raft do not correspond to present regulation? Again, we have to select the wrong one. So the correct option for this is life raft intended for throw overboard launching shall be stored amidship, secured to mean for transfer to either side. Next question, every life raft, sorry, every lifeboat is required to be launched and maneuvered in water at least once in how many months? So it should be in 3 months. The correct option is option C. Next question, after the abandoned ship, survivors in a lifeboat must be given. So after the abandoned ship survivors in lifeboat, they must be given no water for the first 24 hours, and after 24 hours they should be given half liter of water. So correct answer is option C. Next question, fire protected lifeboats when waterborne should be capable of protecting its full complement when subjected to continuous oil fire that envelops the boat for a period of not less than how many minutes? So this is a fact, it should be 8 minutes. Next question, an enclosed lifeboat is fitted with self-contained air system with the engine running. What is the minimum period of time the air should remain safe and breathable? This is also fact, this is 10 minutes. Next question. The smoke detector indicates fire in cargo hold loaded by general cargo. What first action should be taken? So first action taken should be close the ventilation and other openings to the hold in order to choke the fire. So correct answer is option D. Next question. Posters or signs shall be provided on the vicinity of survival craft and their launching controls. Which of the following requirements do not have to be launched according to present regulation? So again we have to select the wrong one. So the correct option will be give information on survival craft capacity. Next question, lifebuoy self-igniting lights shall be capable of burning for not less than, this is 2 hours. Correct option is option A. Next question, which one of the listed requirements for cargo ship regarding personal life saving appliances does not correspond to present regulation? Correct answer is ship fitted with freefall lifeboat may carry thermal protective aids instead of immersion suits. Next question, which of the given requirements regarding manning and supervision of survival craft corresponds to the SOLAS regulation? So correct answer is every motorized survival craft shall have a certified engineer assigned. Next question is, a ship in distress should have transmit the appropriate alarm signal followed by the distress call and the message on one or all of the international distress frequencies in accordance with the present recommendation. So correct answer is 500 volt, 2182 kilohertz and 156.8 megahertz. Next question, lifeboats must be stored in such a way so that they are capable of being launched in, so as per regulation they should be launched in 10 minutes by two people. So correct answer is 10 minutes, option B. Next question, vessel 100-meter and over in length should have 10 life buoys. Next question, the function of hydrostatic release unit is, correct answer is option B, to automatically unhook the lashing and release the life raft when the ship sinks. Next question, what are the characteristics of CO? So correct option is it is heavier than oxygen. Next question, Which of the listed requirements regarding the buoyant smoke signal do not correspond to present regulation? The buoyant smoke signal cell. The correct option is give a bright red light during the entire emission time. Next question. Which one of the listed requirements regarding the launching and recovery arrangements for survival craft corresponds to the present SOLAS regulation? Correct option is launching and recovery arrangements shall be such that the operator at all times observe the survival craft and lifeboats. Next question. Which one of the listed requirements regarding the lifeboat's propulsion do not correspond to present regulation? Again, we have to look for the wrong one. So correct option is the engine shall be provided with an electric power starting system with rechargeable batteries. Next question. Which one of the listed requirements regarding abandoned ship and fire drills do not correspond to the present regulation? Again, we have to select the wrong one. So it correct option is on all short international voyages, muster of passengers shall take place as soon as possible after departure. Next question. After 24 hours in life raft, how much water should be provided per person per day? So it is half liter. Next question. Your vessel has been in collision and you are not sure if your vessel is sinking or not. How will you handle this situation? So correct option is search for missing person, continue to monitor the situation and prepare for abandonment in ease become necessary. Next question. Which of the following items shall be included in each fire drill? Oh, correct option is checking the operation of watertight doors, fire dampers, and relevant communication equipments. Next question. How should the panther of life raft, which is fitted with hydrostatic release, be secured to the ship? The correct option is secure via a weak link to a secure point on the ship. Next question. Which one of the listed requirements regarding partially enclosed lifeboats do not correspond to present regulation? The canopy between rigid covers shall be. Again, we have to select the wrong one. So, correct option is it has windows to admit sufficient daylight inside the boat with the canopy closed. Next question. Which of the following is considered as a general emergency on board? So, here all are general emergencies on board. So, correct option is option D. Next question. Which one of the listed requirements regarding the stability of inflatable life raft do not correspond to present regulation? The stability of the inflatable life raft shall be such that correct option is in the event of capsizing, it will automatically attain a position providing on above water escape. Next question. Radar reflector is provided in. It is provided in both lifeboat and life raft. In rescue boat, it is not requirement. Next question. What is a hydrostatic release unit? This is a unit which automatically release a life raft at a depth of approximately 4 meters. Correct option, option C. Next question is what is the minimum number of channels required for the portable two-way VHF for survival craft? Minimum number required 6, 13, and 16. Which one of the listed requirements regarding rescue boat equipment do not correspond to the present regulation? The normal equipment of every rescue boat shall include. Correct option is immersion suit for the number of passengers the boat is permitted to accommodate. Next question. Falls used in launching shall be renewed not later than how many years? This is 5 years. For how long and at what speed is a fully loaded lifeboat designed to operate in calm water? Now, this is 6 knots for 24 hours. Next question. Lifeboat service has to be done by personnel trained and authorized by the manufacturer for every. This is 5 years. It is done in the dry dock. So, correct option is option C. Next question. The muster list shall show the duties assigned to the different members of the crew. Which of the given duties do not necessarily have to be included in the muster list? Correct option is clearing escape routes. Next question. Life jackets have the following attached to it. What are what are the things attached to life jacket? These are SI lights, SI light, whistle, and retro reflective tape. So correct answer is option C. Next question. How much life raft capacity should be provided on a conventional cargo ship more than 85 meters in length built after July 1986? It should be 100%. So correct option is option A. Next question. What maneuvers should be carried out in case of fire on board a ship? So correct option is option D, reduce the speed and if possible keep the fire zone to be leeward of the ship. Next question. Which of the following requirements regarding the number of life jackets provided do not correspond to present regulation? So correct option is option B, number of life jacket equal to at least 10% of total number of passenger and crew to be placed in the vicinity of the muster station. Next question. At least how often shall rescue boat be launched with their assigned crew and maneuvered in water? So it is again 3 months. Next question. Which of the following actions should be done before throwing this type of inflatable life raft just over the size? So correct option is check the painter is made fast to secure point and that the sea below is clear. Next question. Which one of the listed requirements regarding immersion suit do not correspond to the present regulation? The immersion suit shall be made of waterproof material and constructed such that correct option is option D. It is provided with arrangements to reduce free air in the legs of the suit. Next question. Match the term immersion suit with most suitable answers given below. So this is protection against cold. Correct option is option C. Next question. The number of lifebuoys on a ship is depend on. So number of lifebuoys on ship depends on the length of the ship. So correct option is option D. Next question. Ship specific LSA information is provided in. So it is provided in SOLAS training manual for the ship. So correct option is option D. Next question. Which of the following requirements for immersion suit is correct? So for immersion suit, it should be donned in 2 minutes. It should allow you to jump from 4.5 meters and it should allow you to climb a vertical ladder of 5 meters. So all of the above, correct option is option D. Next question. The number of lifebuoys on a cargo ship of length less than 100 meters is. This is 8. Correct option is option A. Next question. How much faster does the human body lose heat in the water? So this is 26 times. Correct option is option C. Next question. Which of the listed requirements regarding enclosure of totally enclosed lifeboat do not correspond to the present regulation? Again, we have to select the wrong one. So correct option is have self-bailing arrangements. Next question. When firing, the line throwing apparatus should be held at. So it should always be held at 45 degrees to the horizontal. Next question. According to LSA Code Chapter 7 Regulation 7.1, the line throwing appliances, every line throwing appliances shall. For this, all three options are correct. So correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. Every inflatable life raft, inflatable life jacket and hydrostatic release units shall be serviced. It shall be serviced every 12 months. This is annual routine done by shore personnel. So correct option is option C. Next question. Inspection of LSA items on board shall be carried out. So this is carried out weekly by third officer. Next question. How many SART transponders are required to be carried on board a ship for use in survival craft? So requirement is one in each lifeboat. Next question. The additional life jackets are kept in. So correct answer is a conspicuous space on deck or at muster station. Next question. Life raft should be inflated in. So correct option is 30 to 60 seconds. Next question. The master is responsible for all crew participating in monthly emergency drills. If 25% of the crew or more has not participated in such drills during last month, what is the time limit to conduct such a drill after the vessel has left a port? So this is within 24 hours. The drill has to be conducted. So correct option is option C. Next question. Maximum length of rescue boat is. This is fact. As per SOLAS, it should not be more than 8.5 meters. Next question. Equipments of lifeboat. So all three are lifeboat equipments. So correct answer is option D. Next question. The number of lifebuoys on a cargo ship of less than 200 meters is. This is fact. It should be 12. Next question. Which of the following requirements for life jacket is correct? So life jacket should be donned in 1 minute. So correct option is option D. Next question. Luminous intensity of rocket parachute flare should not be less than. Correct option is 30,000 candela. So option D is correct. Next question. Lifebuoy outer diameter should not be more than. This is repeated question. It should not be more than 800 mm. Next question. Lifebuoy lights shall have source of energy capable of providing luminous intensity of. Correct option is 2 candela for 2 hours. Next question. Life raft must be stored in such a way that they can be launched within 5 minutes. Yes, life raft shall be launched in 5 minutes and lifeboat should be launched in 10 minutes. So correct option is option B. Next question, how much water for per person in lifeboats? This is 3 liters for lifeboat, 3 liters, and for life raft 1.5 liters. So correct option is option C, 3 liters. Next question, what is full form of SART? Correct answer is search and rescue radar transponder. Next question, the number of lifebuoy on a passenger ship of length over 240 meters. So correct answer is 36. Next question, requirements of child life jacket on cargo ship is, it should be 10% of the total capacity. Next question, once you hear general alarm, proceed to, again repeated question, you should proceed to muster station. Next question, what is MOB signal? MOB signal on board is 3 long blast on the ship whistle. Next question, the number of rocket parachute flares in lifeboat are, just remember this one, number of rocket parachute flares in lifeboat are 4. Next question, the number of hand flares in life raft are, so number of hand flares is 6, and one more thing is there, number of smoke buoyant, so this should be 2. Next question, the donning time of life jacket is 1 minute. Next question, what is full form of HRU? This is hydrostatic release unit, so correct option is option C. Next question, how many rocket parachute available on the bridge? On bridge, 12 rocket parachute flares should be there. Next question, the visibility range of parachute flare at night is approximately, so correct option is option D, 25 nautical miles. Next question, which equipment is provided in life raft to help you keep warm in cold weather? So correct option is the floor of the life raft has a second layer which can be inflated to help insulation in addition to the TPA. Next question, which of the listed requirements do not correspond to the present regulation regarding weak link? Weak link shall. So the correct option is option D, break under a strain of approximately 2.2 kilonewton. Next question, which of the listed requirements do not correspond to present regulation? The life raft shall have. The correct option is all entrances fitted with rigid boarding ramps for boarding the life raft at sea. Next question, if the ship sinks, the water pressure will within how many meters activate the sharp knife? This is asking for HRU. At what depth HRU will operate? So this is 4 meters. So correct option is option B. Next question is, what is a fire wire? So correct answer is option A, wire for pulling burning ship off her pyre. Next question, the function of HRU is, so the function of HRU is to automatically invoke the lesson and release the life raft when the ship sinks. Next question, luminous intensity of hand flare should not be less than, so correct option is option A, 15,000 candela. Next question, which of the following requirements for immersion suit is correct? For immersion suit, all these 3 are correct. Next question, in a free fall lifeboat, instead of immersion suit, TPA is provided to all the person. No, this is not a correct statement, so false. Next question, after launching an inflatable life raft, it should be kept dry from inside by, so this is asking what equipment we are using for keeping it dry. So we are using a baler and cellulose sponge. So correct answer is option D. Next question, generally what is used to inflate life raft? So to inflate life raft, normally we are using non-toxic gas. What I have seen is CO2. So correct option is A. Next question, the offload release system on a survival craft is designed to be activated. Correct option is when there is no load on the cable. Next question, how many chapters are there in Solas? In Solas, there are 14 chapters. So correct option is option A. Next question, how many VHF survival craft trans receiver are required on board passenger ship? So minimum 3 are required. So correct option is option B, 3. Next question, how can a person on board a ship familiarize himself with use of LSA? So this is SOLAS training manual. The correct option is option C, training manual. Next question, which code has technical provision of carriage requirements for LSA? So this is LSA code. Correct option is option B. Next question. What is the requirement for a passenger ships having lifeboats? Correct answer is enough for all passengers on board plus life raft of 25% of the passengers. Next question. When launching a lifeboat, frapping lines should be rigged. So correct option is option C, at the embarkation deck. Next question. If an inflatable life raft is to be released manually, where should the operating code be attached before throwing the raft overboard? Correct option is option B. Attach the code to a fixed object on the ship, and it should be strong point. So correct option is option B. Next question. When launching lifeboat, the tracing pendant should be released. Correct option is before the boat is lowered from the embarkation level. Next question. One of the first action to be taken by survivors when they have boarded an inflatable life raft is to. The correct answer is they have to take an anti seasickness pill. Next question. With the immersion suit on, you are expected to climb up and down vertical ladder at least. So this is a requirement. This is 5 meters. So correct option is option A. Next question. Wearing an immersion suit, you must be able to jump from a height of 4.5 meters or 15 feet into the water. Do you agree? Yes, this is a requirement. So correct option is option A. Next question. The survival craft engine is filled with. It is asking about the fuel used in survival craft. So this is diesel oil. Next question. Help position stands for. Correct option is heat exchange listening posture. Next question. Which of the listed requirements regarding the stowage of survival craft corresponds to present SOLAS regulation? Each survival craft shall be. Correct option is in a state of readiness so that two crew members can prepare for embarkation and launching in less than 5 minutes. Next question. Lifebuoys are subjected to which of the following tests? So correct option is all of the above. Next question. Lifebuoy self-igniting lights shall be capable of burning for not less than. Correct option is option C, 2 hours. Next question. Which of the listed requirements regarding the use of an immersion suit do not correspond to present regulation? The suit shall permit the wearer. So this is wrong. Perform normal duties. So correct option is option C. Next question. MOB marker buoys is used in case. Correct option is when some crew member fall into the sea. Next question. Which of the listed requirements regarding life-saving appliances do not correspond to the present regulation? Here we have to select the wrong one. So correct option is all prescribed LSAs shall be made of non-combustible or fire-retardant material. Next question. Hydrostatic release unit of a life raft cell. So it should do all these three. So correct option is option D, all of the above. Next question. The maximum capacity of a lifeboat is. Correct option is option B, 150. Next question. How much water would you allow per person as officer in charge of the lifeboat following an abandoned ship? So it should be half liter per day after 24 hours. So correct answer is option D. Next question. Match the term LTA with suitable answer given below. So LTA, all three are correct. All three are matching with the LTA. So correct answer is option D, all of the above. So friend, these were the questions. I had uploaded around 134, 135 questions. If just go through this and go for the exam. If you have watched all the questions, I am sure you will never fail in your exit exam for PST and refresher PST. And one more thing, my friends, I am putting some effort. So please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends so that it will be helpful for me also and it will be helpful to you also. So please subscribe it and share it. And good luck for your exam. Have safe sailing. Thank you so much.